Welcome to our channel, where we'll guide you through the seamless process of logging into your Glassdoor employer account. Welcome to our channel, where we'll guide you through the seamless process of logging into your Glassdoor employer account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Glassdoor's official website. At the top right corner of the home page, locate and click on the For Employers button to access the employer-specific portal. Once the employer page loads, find and select the Sign In option, which will direct you to the login interface specifically designed for employers. Here, you'll see fields requesting your registered email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your employer account carefully to avoid any typos. Next, input your secure password, ensuring that case sensitivity is respected. If you've forgotten your password, take advantage of the Forgot Password link right below the password field to initiate a reset process via your email. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. Successful login will redirect you to your employer dashboard, where you can manage job postings, view reviews, and access analytics related to your company's profile. To enhance security, it's recommended to log out after your session by clicking the profile icon and selecting Log Out, especially when using shared or public devices. Following these steps will help you reliably and efficiently access your Glassdoor employer account anytime you need. Don't forget, your employer account is a powerful tool to attract talent and manage your company's online presence effectively.